is a 7x5 by knots water wave unit, and it is in the color 1B. As you see here, this unit did come pre-plucked, pre-bleached, as well as pre-cut. On the inside, there are a total of 8 adjustable hooks, and the sizing of this unit goes from extra small to extra large. Initially, when I first put this unit on, I already knew that this unit was going to become one of my favorites. Just based upon the way that the cap felt on my head was something different compared to a lot of the glueless units that I have reviewed. The cap is very form-fitting, and I wasn't too worried about it slipping off. I ended up going in with a little bit of my setting lotion and basically just redoing the edges just a little bit. I really like using the setting lotion on my baby hairs because it gives it that fluffy, light, airy look opposed to it being super dramatic. As we all can tell, this hair is very thick, but with that being said, I wanted to mention that I did not have any shedding out of this unit, which is very common when you get a thicker unit, especially if it's curly hair. This is definitely one of my shorter installation videos, but this unit was just so easy and seamless and quick. You don't have to do too much and it looks amazing. I would like to thank Sunber Hair for sponsoring this video, and if you are interested, feel free to check the links in the description bar down below because I do have a discount code for you all to save money on your first purchase.